To you and welcome to WKYT News at 6. I'm Amber Philpott.
I'm Bill Bryant. We're glad to have you with us. Child abuse, DUI, wanton endangerment, and possession of child pornography. These are all charges that have been filed against Fayette County Public Schools employees in just a 4-week period.
WKYT's Samantha Valentino got her hands on each of those employees' personnel files, and tonight she is digging into their backgrounds to see which of the employees have had complaints filed against them within the district in this WKYT Investigates.
It's terrifying.
Jamie Caldwell is accused of hitting a man with her car on her way to work and driving off. Lexington police say they found her at Glendover Elementary School, where she's a teacher. Officers say she was more than 3 times over the legal limit for alcohol. The man she hit with her car later died. John Bordis, the dean of students at Bryan Station High School, is charged with wanton endangerment. Court records say he followed another driver home after a traffic incident and pointed a gun at them. WKYT Investigates has already brought you a number of stories on Thedrick Hersey. The mental health specialist within the district is one of 9 people having child abuse charges in an abuse case involving 2 Madison County daycares owned by Hersey and his wife. His arrest citation says Hersey knew about the abuse, including a child being strangled, being punched, and concerns of sexual abuse, but didn't report them. William Adam Lyle, a paraeducator at Northern Elementary School, is charged with 6 counts of possession of child porn. FCPS says they're not aware of any victims tied to the district.
It's a terrifying position to be in as a parent, to know that the people that you're entrusting your children with every day are committing these horrible crimes.
Norma Justice has an elementary schooler within FCPS. She says she's grateful her child has amazing teachers, but it's scary that not every child has the same experience. In her role with the Fayette County Children's Coalition, Justice works closely with other parents and staff.
They're frustrated that these issues are happening and they want to know why.
Justice says it's difficult to get answers from the district, and many are afraid to bring concerns to those in charge.
My understanding from speaking to other people who work in the county, there is a culture of fear of retaliation.
We asked the district for the personnel files of the 4 employees with ongoing criminal cases. Our request included any complaints against them. Just one contained any allegations, and that was John Bordis's. In addition to his role as dean of students, Bordis also served as a safe crisis management trainer for the district. He trained other staff members on preventing and managing crisis events. In 2019, he was accused of certifying staff members who didn't actually complete the full training. As a result, this personnel meeting summary says he was to be reprimanded by the superintendent and barred from serving as an SCM trainer. Another personnel meeting summary details a 2023 incident where Bordis is accused of being caught in a, quote, intimate situation with an unidentified staff member inside Bryan Station High School during school hours. According to the summary, a student walked in on them in the school's training room. The summary says the incident, quote, caused disruption at BSHS, but also at 2 other schools, as the story spread. The recommendation was for Bordis to complete additional mandatory online safe school trainings. He was not placed on administrative leave until he was criminally charged in March. In Lexington, Samantha Valentino, WKYT.
An FCPS says all 4 employees have been placed on administrative leave, and we asked the district about staff members fearing retaliation if they speak up about their concerns. And they said in part, quote, to date, we are not aware of any instances where an employee who reported misconduct experienced retaliation. While it's unfortunate that this perception exists, there is no evidence to support it, end quote.